independence that our forefathers made huge sacrifices for, so that we, the future generations, could breathe in a free, empowered, and independent country. And alhamdulillah, we're cherishing this very precious gift. However, Pakistan is still seeking improvement in a few areas. For instance, we're still striving to have a corruption-free system, a just and equitable justice system, a more effective administrative system, and a more inclusive society. So there are a few areas where Pakistan thinks that it needs huge amount of improvement. We need to strengthen our democratic system too, which is claimed by the political elite of Pakistan that it's there, but it's not there in the literal sense of the word.
Maleeha, if I could ask you, because it's interesting you mentioned some of the issues that are still pertinent today. I mean, you mentioned politics maybe needs to be cleaned up a little bit. You said the economy and social standards, perhaps there's room for improvement in some of these areas. But look, it's 75 years since British rule came to an end in Pakistan. Of course, the creation of Pakistan when they drew the partition line through India. But a lot of promises were made 75 years ago. Do you think some of them, or even most of them, have been implemented? Did they come true?
I believe that though the British rule ended in 1947, but a bit of colonialism still exists in Pakistan, and we still are in the process of fighting it because it's in the heads of the political elite. But what I'm hopeful about is the fact that the younger generation of Pakistan has stood up to it. Over the years, the corrupt political elite captured Pakistan's political system. I mean, they took over Pakistan's system. And unfortunately, we grew up having this realization that we couldn't do much about it. There's only so much that we could have done about it back in the day. But now things have changed in Pakistan. Alhamdulillah, the younger generation of Pakistan has stood up to it, and they strongly believe that they can pitch in their bit to improve the system